Okay, so you're trying to get into wholesaling real estate and you've realized it's a mountain of information and you're not really sure where to start. Good news for you, I have the Freedom Fundamentals community that I co-host with my business partner, Henry G, mindset host of the Positive Mindset podcast. In this group, we literally go step by step, action step by action step, line item by line item on what you need to do to get into wholesaling real estate. Do you find buyers first? Do you run comps first? Where do you pull your data from? How do you talk to homeowners? How do you make sure your title work is good? How do you know what title company to pick? There's tons of questions, and while yes, all the information is for free on my page in the internet, sometimes just having someone there to hold your hand is one of the most beneficial things you can do. In the group, we have people who are actively closing 6 figures a year. In the group, we have people who are closing their first deal, spending $0 on marketing in under 2 months. We have people set to make 6 figures a year. We have tons of coaching calls, lots of really good information, and I'm really just here to help you guys. I also like to position myself as a buyer if you need me to be one. So if you guys would like your hand held in wholesaling real estate, message me the word freedom on Instagram and let's get you started.